It's a facility that was designed to follow a 3,000-year tradition, actually, of working with the dead to better serve the living. My name is Jeff Kinsella-Shaw. I'm the director of the Human Anatomy Learning Laboratory. We orient people who want to be healthcare providers to the way the body's put together and give them a chance to have direct encounters with the tissue so that they experience things at a level that you can't experience through simulation.
For us in the PT program, it is where we do all of our cadaver dissection and hands-on musculoskeletal anatomy learning. At times, nursing students will be in there and they'll learn more on the medical side.
We got to do some intraosseous access where we put a needle into the bone to get into the intravascular system. We got to do some sutures, chest tubes, and those are typical procedures that are not easy to come by, and having an accurate model to do these on was super helpful.
Since physical therapists are mandated to restore functional movement, they need to know how things are arranged in 3 dimensions. So they go in and they learn to handle the tissues in a way that will allow them to understand the way people move through the world.
To get hands-on and feel those tissues, see the actual muscle fibers, the tendons, the ligaments, it really changes the way that you think about the human body.
To go from textbooks where we see pictures of all the organs, all the body systems, brightly colored, the spleen is one color, the liver is one color, everything is kind of 2-dimensional and flat. To actually see it in real life with the natural colors, 3 dimensions right in front of us that we could touch, we could feel, we could examine.
Not all physical therapy programs actually have full human cadaver labs. UConn has always had one. We've always felt like training people to work with human tissues as early as possible really made for the most effective practitioners. And so one of our strengths as a program has always been that our students come out extremely well versed in anatomy at a level that's comparable to what you get in med school.